Apple just released iOS 26.5 and today I am installing it on my 6-year-old iPhone SE 2020. Honestly, this update looks huge for a old iPhone. The update size is 2.78 gigabyte. Now, according to Apple, iOS 26.5 brings security improvements, smarter AI features, app enhancements, and better system stability. But after searching online, I also found that many users are reporting overheating, battery drain, lag, UI freezes, and random bugs. So today, let's see if this old iPhone can actually handle iOS 26.5. And before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more real world iPhone update reviews. So here it is. iOS 26.5 is downloading on my iPhone SE, which have 64 GB of internal storage, and honestly that's massive for an older iPhone with very limited storage. Apple says this update includes security upgrades, AI improvements, smarter app features, and better system optimization. But after searching online, the real life user feedback for iOS 26.5 specifically for this iPhone is very mixed. Some users are saying their iPhone feels smoother, app opening speed improved, and animations are more responsive after updating. But many users are facing problems, which is not quite uncommon for this 6-year-old iPhone. Some of the biggest complaints are overheating, massive battery drain, laggy keyboard animations, random freezes, and slower performance, which is not uncommon. One thing I noticed while researching, many users say their new liquid glass interface and AI features use a lot more GPU power. And because of that, some iPhones are heating up more than usual after updating. And battery life feedback is very perplexing. It's mixed. Some users are saying battery life improved after a few days, and others say the phone drains much faster than before. Okay, the update is preparing itself for installing. The main installation process will be starting in a very few moments, and honestly that's the scary part for an old iPhone. Let's see if my iPhone SE 2020 survives another huge iOS update, maybe the last of its lifetime. I'm not sure. So, I will be bringing my real life experience of 26.5 in another video. Let's wrap it now. So, should you update your iPhone SE 2020 to iOS 26.5? In my opinion, the answer is yes if you care about security updates, app compatibility, and long-term software support. But if your iPhone already has low battery health, overheating problems, storage issues, or lag, then maybe wait a little longer for more feedback. But honestly, iOS 26.5 looks better than earlier iOS 26 versions, but it's not still feel completely polished yet. If you already updated your iPhone, let me share your experience in the comments. Did your phone get smoother or slower after updating? And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more real world iPhone update, test, and tech videos. Thank you for watching.